3, 2, 1.
I'm a cosmic mystery that twinkles in the night. What am I? The answer is B, constellation. Which psychologist is known for the three-factor theory of emotion? The answer is A, Albert Ellis. Created by Hephaestus from gold and made immortal, I was given to Athena as a symbol of her victory. What am I? The answer is D, Aegis. What is the name of Euler's identity, a famous equation in mathematics that relates E, pi, and I? The answer is B, E pi plus 1 equals 0. If y equals 2x3, what is the value of x when y is 5? The answer is A, x equals 1.5. Which is the tallest mountain in Asia? The answer is A, Everest. Which piece of furniture has a flat top and 4 legs? The answer is A, coffee table. I'm the largest country by land area and have a population of approximately 1.4 billion people. What am I? The answer is B, Canada. What properties describe the existence of matter as opposed to chemical properties that describe how substances change into other substances? The answer is A, physical. I have mountains, rivers, and a bear as my symbol. What am I? The answer is C, Africa. I use a joystick instead of hands. I can explore new worlds. What am I? The answer is C, video game player. Which company bought YouTube in 2006? The answer is D, Google. Which antibacterial protein is found in tears and saliva? The answer is C, human lysozyme. I can play for hours without ever getting tired. What am I? The answer is B, clock. Which philosopher is known for his critique of pure reason? The answer is A, Immanuel Kant. I carry ships, but I don't sail them. What am I?
The answer is A, river.
What is the name of the world's largest island mountain? The answer is A, New Guinea. Which of these characters was a part of the sketch The Munsters on the Chappelle Show? The answer is A, Dracula. I move around at a grid, but can't play chess. What am I? The answer is A, a turtle. Who was born in Ohio? The answer is D. Abraham Lincoln. What property of carbon and other elements can be used to date fossils and rocks, among other things? The answer is B. Half-life. What is a ladder mainly used for? The answer is D. Reaching high shelves. What is the name of the brightest meteor shower? The answer is B. Perseids. What is the name given to the study of life and living organisms? The answer is A. Biology. Which game features a dystopian city and combat with mutants? The answer is A. Fallout. Which economic term refers to the relationship between two goods or services such that a decrease in the price of one increases the demand for the other? The answer is B. Substitute goods. You can travel around the world without leaving it. What am I? The answer is C. Map. Which author wrote The Wheel of Time? The answer is B. Brandon Sanderson. What is Dinotopia, the fictional place where humans and dinosaurs live together in James Gurney's books and Hallmark's miniseries? The answer is B. A hidden island. What is the belief in an immaterial soul? The answer is A. Dualism. What is the brass instrument used primarily for signaling purposes? The answer is D. Cornet. I earn interest over time, but can also lead to bankruptcy. Who am I? The answer is B. Loan. What electronic device can convert mechanical energy into electrical energy? The answer is C. Generator. Which philosopher famously said religion is the sign of the oppressed, it is the opium of the people? The answer is C. Karl Marx. What is the largest museum in the world by total area? The answer is A. Louvre Museum, Paris. What happens when two air masses of different temperatures meet and collide? The answer is C. Tornado. The desert rat has evolved traits that help it live with low supplies of water. What is this an example of? The answer is B. Acquired characteristics. A Lewis acid is a substance that accepts a pair of electrons to form what? The answer is D. Covalent bond. Which former quarterback was named the most valuable player of Super Bowl Roman 29 and was inducted into the Pro Football Hall of Fame in 2005? The answer is A. Steve Young. Where is the Mount Everest located? The answer is C, India-Nepal border. Which statement accurately describes an interaction between plants and animals? The answer is B. Animals release CO2 required for photosynthesis. Which political leader coined the term Iron Curtain? The answer is C. Truman. Harry Potter draws a sword from the Sorting Hat during his duel with Tom Riddle and the Basilisk in the Chamber of Secrets. The sword belongs to which of the 4 founders of Hogwarts houses? The answer is D. Godric Gryffindor. Sweet, juicy, and often red. Not an apple. What am I? The answer is B. Raspberry. Where does about 90% of volcanic activity on Earth occur? The answer is A. Under the oceans. Which of these countries does not use the peso as its national currency? The answer is C. Venezuela. I have 8 points but no legs. What am I? The answer is A. Dartboard. The process of the cytoplasm splitting apart and the cell pinching in two is known as what? The answer is D. Cytokinesis. Which star is the closest to our solar system?
The answer is A. Proxima Centauri.
Which type of dress has a loose, knee-length skirt and tight bodice?